Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're doing well. We have some organic chicken that's going to be seasoned with potatoes and cauliflower in a Kashmiri curry sauce, which is excellent. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. The rice is looking great, nice and fluffed. Okay, now time for the unveiling. Alright, looking good. We got the organic chicken thigh meat, boneless, skinless, in the Kashmiri curry sauce with cauliflower and potatoes. This is looking pretty good, mashallah. And excellent, the Kashmiri curry sauce came out really well. It has a nice bright color. And mashallah, it looks great. So, bon appetit. Yummy, yummy.